Oh, yeah. Where the seam is?
Yeah, it moved.
So this rod... Watch, move your hands. And you gotta go back the other way.
Yeah. Oh. It's hard to do it. You need like a ratchet that's welded. So then it doesn't move.
He was doing it the other day.
It was.
Oh, did you guys see that? This rod is moving from the crank.
It could actually. Let's see the gap there.
Do it again?
That's where it got gapped. Look down the side there.
You could see in.
It looked like you can see into the. You could see the crank spinning and the rod stays.
There. I don't know.
It's so quick.
It is. It stood up. I mean.
Alright, well, let's pull the cap off. As you see, the oil pan is now off the engine. And we took the baffle off. It wasn't hitting the oil baffle. Yeah, we gotta check these bearings. There was a little bit of grayness to the oil. Alright. Loosen these caps.
You could.
Boy, I might need a rubber dead blow.
Yeah.
Just think about how long these rods have been in since 1995. That'll work.
Oh, that was better. I gave him the wood insert. Yeah.
It's loose.
Pop.
Put another pop. It's dowels.
Spin it back a little bit on the other side.
Your fingers. It's gonna be a pain. Ow. Touch my finger.
Wait, you gotta do
Well,
that.
it's not spun though.
There's a contaminant got in there.
It's not spun.
No, it's contaminant.
Can you cut your nail on it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, these spots look like rust. So maybe.
Just call Mac and get a new bearing real quick.
Well, the chamfer. So it's not that.
It's really clean, actually.
Didn't you put bearings in this or no?
Yeah. Well. Maybe I'll just do all new bearings again. I mean, definitely have to pull the rest of them apart and maybe check the timing chain. Hold on, you're getting lint in here. Don't use that again. Please. Seriously, there's so much lint in here. Just lint free rags on this.
What kind of brake clean? What's that? Say back.
She's
Who said it was? It's just. It's rust.
oh, it's better.
Yeah, it's fitted like rust. Alright. I've got a little piece of plastic gauge. So I'm gonna put that in. Can't get it to not go in the journal.
Do you have the other bolt?
Yeah, it's right here. Oh.
I have one rod bolt.
How did we lose a rod bolt?
Jason fucking took it out. Jason, where did you put the other rod bolt? Where did you put the other rod bolt? Oh, never mind. Under the rack.
They're both over here.
Yeah. The non-lint. Switch.
Alright, so I don't know if you want to switch on that, man. This is plastic gauge. It's a little strip of this little wire looking stuff. It's soft like clay. You put it in the bearing material and then you torque it down and then you pull it back off, and you need to compare it to the sides, and however wide it squishes it down to, it tells you your oil clearance. So we need to check the clearance on these bearings. Alright, see ya. Oh, that was stupid. I spun the engine over with the plastic gauge in there. And it just smeared it. Stupid. You can kind of see the outline of it though. So, what does this look like to you? Yeah. See how wide it was? It's like this green strip, right?
Yeah, spin it back. Just spin the motor back.
No, it's just gonna go down. It looks like these bearings don't fit. Look at
This one. You watch this.
look
The
at in
crank-
here. Watch in here. Oh, this one's totally spun. This one's totally spun.
Yeah, one shot.
You see it?
Yeah, it's shot.
It's stacked.
Yeah.
It's one
It's
over
on
the
top of
other.
each other.
So, but here, so
How did we not see
the
that?
gap was 0.002. So I need to look up what it's supposed to be on these.
The crank's definitely wiped.
Well, I'm just gonna throw this back on for now and take the other one off.
Curious to see that. I'll wait. 10 minutes.
Is it 10 minutes until the
Until I start having a crack reaction.
so until the pre-workout kicks in?
Yeah.
This rod cap is backwards, amateur move. It's good to know you can't put them on backwards. Not that it really matters that much at this point.
Anything with force.
It's true. Alright. Don't forget to always use your torque wrench as your regular wrench.
Reverse torque.
Wow, it actually didn't even, torque spec was 63 foot-pounds, because I just torqued this one. And that's what my torque wrench is still set to. So to loosen this cap, it was less than 63 foot-pounds. not really a great sign. Jay, you can see this other one's totally spun. Yeah, when the other cap was off, I looked in, it's doubled over.
Oh well.
Well, if it has double bearings, it should be double good.
Except the one flat spot. With the noise it was making, I was like, there's no way.
Ready? See if I can even. Woo. No, the bearing's on the crank. See it?
It's welded.
There's two bearings welded together.
I could lift them right off.
Wait, hold on, not yet. Let me turn this light on. You see that? One bearing, two bearing. The crank surprisingly looks okay. Right?
Actually, it doesn't,
It has to be measured.
doesn't feel bad.
But I would not reuse that rod. I might be able to sell it online for 3 shillings. Can you get it out?
Try.
I might need a little pick. Ooh,
There's one.
commitment. Is that one?
There's one.
Sweet. There's nothing left. It's all in my oil pan. Cool.
The crank actually does not feel.
I think it might be alright. Well, time to figure out what I want to do. Well, that's it. It's a spun bearing. Not sure if I'm going to rebuild it. So I have some thinking to do. And maybe I'll price things out. Maybe I'll swap it. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just buy one connecting rod and one bearing and just put it back together and just enjoy the car and have it movable. And, you know, set it aside and move on to another project, or just totally overhaul everything and go down the wormhole. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next week.